Hello everyone, welcome to my channel AI with AP. Today we are tackling your very first step into your Python programming journey, whether you are a complete beginner or just need a refresher. In this video, we will walk you through everything you need to get Python up and running in your system. So let's dive in. Go to the browser. Here we will type Python and it will redirect us to the official website of the Python, which is python.org. Click on this. Go to the downloads, and here we can see the latest available version of the Python. Click on this. It will start downloading. Exe file. Double click on this, and our installation process will begin here. Make sure you are selecting Use Admin Privileges and add Python to path. Customize installation. Make sure all the tick boxes are properly ticked. Next. If you are admin, make sure you are selecting Installed Python for all uses. This will be the location where Python will be installed. Click on Install, and installation process will start. It may depend on your speed, your system. Roughly, it will take around 3 to 4 minutes to complete. So let's wait. Now the setup is successful. Click on Close and let us verify if it is properly installed or not. Now we will verify if installation is successful or not. We will type cmd here. We will type python space hyphen version. And you can see the same version was available on the website as well. Minimize this one. We will type idle here. We will type print AI with Abe, and you can see it is properly printed. So Python is properly installed in your system. Enjoy your time. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my video.